Good afternoon, my YouTube family. Get yourself a cup of coffee. My name is Tom. I come to you from the Rustic log cabin in Northern Maine. Welcome to my shop today. I got a gun torn apart. You probably caught that video a while back or just last week, whenever. I haven't decided when these things are going up. I am working on the stock on this. It's a Savage Axis, crappy stock. I'm stiffening up the front end of the stock with birdshot and epoxy. So back and catch that video. I'm not exactly sure what I'll name it, but it'll all be. I'll make sure it's easy to find anyways. If not, I'll even tell you right in here on this video what the name of that video is. So you can go back and catch that video if you want. But anyways, what I want to talk about is what I've been doing this week. I've been building bullets. I have been making 357 bullets and 44 Magnum bullets. And I want to bring this up here because what a treat it is to be self-reliant, love the product, and not be reliant on factories, the government, and everybody else to where I'm going to get my next bullet. This being self-reliant and being able to build my own bullet is taking my reloading and taking my shooting to a whole new level. I am excited, and I'm really excited because, you know, this has been a 2-year plan. I've been working on this bullet development of lead bullets for more than 2 years now to get to where we are today. Where we are today is where I like to be. I have 9 different recipes for my lead. I have them now lot 1, lot 2, lot 3. And what that is pure lead, antimony, and tin. And different ratios. A lot of people just fall into the camp of wheel weights is enough. I'm a little more fussy than that, and I want to do a little bit more with my bullets. So by developing this 9 different recipes for lead, I can, and who knows, I'm going to go on from here. Who knows where we stop? It's just like developing a load of bullets, as far as I'm concerned. You need a recipe for your lead, and you need a recipe for your bullet, and that's how you rely on a reloaded bullet. So I'm the same thing with my lead. It's all about the Brunel hardness for me. I want some bullets a little harder. I want some bullets a little softer. I don't want any limitations when it comes to velocity in my rifles or my pistols. So by playing with the formula for my lead, none of that stuff is an issue or a problem. So I'm excited, but I'm really excited about being self-reliant and not relying on the whims of the federal government or the whims of these bullet manufacturers. Look, I mean, like right now, I'm still looking for large rifle primers. I've got enough, but I like to know what's going on in the world, so I still get out there and research large rifle primers, pistol primers. I still research bullets, even though I'm building my own bullet, because I want to know what's going on. I still research brass, because I want to know what's going on. Is it hard to get? Can we get it? Are we not going to ever be able to get it? So that it always comes back. I can't imagine the primers won't come back into stock like they used to be. But anyways, these whims that we've been going through recently have just been driving me nuts. So by being able to be self-reliant and build my own bullet, I can't say enough about it. I can't say enough about it. I will get into this more down the road, but I wanted to get a little starter video out here on these bullets, and in the next one I will dig out the bullets, line them up. They're not down here in the shop, they're all up in my reloading room. Otherwise than that, I would set up, but you got to kind of set up a little different so you guys can see up close. So I'll do that up in the reloading room. But anyways, the bullets are coming out pristine. I just built a 357 bullet, 155 grain semi-wad cutter. I absolutely love it. So now it's off to the range with it. It has a gas check on the end of it. It's traditionally lubed. and the bullet is just pristine right out of the mold. And I have a single cavity mold, so I want to tell you about that. In that single cavity mold, I can push out 40 bullets in 13 minutes. So that's pretty good. So right now on eBay, I've got a bid in, and hopefully it'll come true in a little while. But anyways, on eBay, I got a bid out there for that same mold in a 2-cavity. So a 2-cavity mold, I would be able to produce 80 bullets in 15 minutes. 80 bullets in 15 minutes, give or take. So that's a pile of bullets if you come down here and sit here for a couple of hours and push out bullets. Not only will it push out that 80 bullets for me, but it will be the lead hardness that I want. It'll be the lead recipe that I want. And then I can take that bullet and put it on top of whatever powder I want. So just plain being self-reliant in that 357, the 44 Magnum, the 9mm, all them pistols, and then my rifles to boot. I'm working up some loads for the rifle. I'm working on loads for the 25-06. I'm working on loads. I've already started on the 308 and the 308 and the 30-06. I got some great bullets for the 30-06. I've already taken those to the range. I'm still testing them. They're 173 grain flat nose bullet, and that thing, I dropped 5 bullets in one hole the other day during the sight-in video. So I'm really looking forward to further testing that video. But to be able to build bullets for my hunting rifles and my pistols, holy smokes, it's taken this stuff to a whole new level. So that's all I got to say today. Have some coffee with me, and I will see you next week. Seems to be getting darker outside. I wonder if we got a thunderstorm coming. So I hope you found this video good. Pay attention. I'm probably going to build I've already got a playlist on the shooting range. So maybe I'll mix these in with the shooting range videos. But if not, I will build another playlist on casting bullets, because this is really making me self-reliant and not relying on the whims of the federal government and the whims of the bullet factory. So, hey, we'll see you next week. Alright, there's 5 bullets in the same hole. I think it's time to move that gun down to 50 yards and then out to 100. Five bullets in there. That's nice. Let's see if that'll do it out there further. There you go. Very pleased, even though that's only 20 yards. Very pleased with that bullet.